Welcome back, fellow Internet Explorers. Today, we have an exciting quest ahead of us as we dive into the depths of the Naver Whale web browser. You might be wondering where the elusive, turn off the lights lamp button hides. Well, worry no more, because we're going to uncover this hidden gem together. Hit that subscribe button and join our adventure. Let's get started. Open your Naver Whale web browser and click on the puzzle piece icon. A pop-up will show up with the list of installed browser extensions. Then, search for Turn Off the Lights, and click on the pin icon. Now, the gray lamp button is added and visible in the Naver Whale toolbar, allowing you to dim and undim the web page with a single click. Amazing, right? If you enjoyed this adventure and found the Turn Off the Lights lamp button helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more exciting tech tips and browser hacks, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell, so you won't miss any future discoveries. Thank you for joining me on this thrilling journey inside the Naver Whale browser. Remember to leave a comment below with your thoughts, and until next time, happy browsing.